Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I am going out this weekend and fancied some glass nails. I've seen them all over Instagram. I have done some on my channel previously, but they're super popular at the moment. So if you're interested on how I created these, then just stay tuned. So I really couldn't pick just one glitter gel that I wanted to use, so ended up with 5, of course. So I will go through all the colours that I used. They are all from Light Elegance, and if I remember, I'll try and put the collection that they're from in the description box below for you. This one is locals only. This is a pink toned glitter gel. It's definitely got some blue and even some rose gold in there as well. This is Twinkle Toes. I would say this was like a lilac mix, and it's definitely got big pieces of glitter and small pieces in there as well. This is MALIBLUE. This is quite unique. It's got a mix of sparkly glitter and matte glitter. Mango Crush. This is an oldie but a goodie. It's just a beautiful peachy iridescent. And then finally we've got Wipeout. This is In Your Face Purple Holographic. And then I am adding some chunky glitter to this as well. I'm using pink Prisma. This is from my store. This is undoubtedly one of my most popular chunky mixes that I have on my website. And then I thought I'd try out the Ugly Duckling hard gel, and that packaging is making my eyes go really funny. And I'm using the clear gel. I'm using the Light Elegance Gel Polish Bling Brush for the glitter gel, and then I'm using the Ugly Duckling gel brush for the clear gel. I'm using Light Elegance tack for my bonding agent, and then I'm using the Gel Bottle Ink rubber base for my base coat. So I am actually waiting for sculpting form, so I have none in the house, so I thought I'll just go with tips today. So I'm using these VAMP tips by CUCCIO. So they are stiletto tips, but I've just cut off the ends so it gives you a nice coffin, tapered square, whatever you want to call it, shape. So let's get on with it. I have done all my prep work, my cuticle work, cleanse my nail, etc, etc. So here I'm just going in with tack. And the reason I like tack is because you don't have to buff your clear tips, which you would do normally if you're using gel. With tack you don't, you just apply it on top and then that cures in the lamp for 30 seconds. Next step is your preferred base. As I said, I'm using rubber base coat from the Gel Bottle Ink. And this just gives me a nice surface for my hard gel to go onto. And then before I apply the glitter gel, I am just going to do one thin coat of the clear hard gel. And this is going to be my little safety net when I want to file off the glitter gel. This is going to be my layer that I can file right back to. So on to the fun bit, applying the glitter gels. So I will put in the corner which one I'm using on each finger. So this is locals only. And I'm basically going to start where my natural nail is, where you can see it through the tip. So I want to cover that over and then just swirl it round either end. So it's a little bit like an S shape, I suppose. And then straight onto that wet glitter gel, I am just going to randomly place pieces of the chunky glitter and then cure that. So I will stop talking now and just let you watch me apply on the other nails. So when I was happy with all those and cured the design into place, I just went in with my clear capping layer. So here I just put a slip layer down and then build up the nail and build my apex and my shape and everything like that. Cure that, and then I'll go in and refine and shape all the nails. So those nails are all filed and shaped, and here I am just removing the excessive amount of dust from my nails just with a duster brush. And then here's the best bit, we're going to go in with top coat, and how amazing does this look? This is the gel bottle ink Extreme Shine, the one that I always like to use, and it's just like magic, and I think we should rewind that and get an instant replay. So once those are cured, I'm going to go in with my cuticle oil, and I was recently sent this. It's from APOTHAKA skincare range, and it's the lovely Natasha on Instagram. She sent this to me, and it smells absolutely amazing, and it's such a handy size for putting in your handbag or taking with you, like if you're traveling. And it just smells lovely. So I'll leave the links in the description box below for that. So here I'm just finishing up with my LCN Super Shine just for my photos. So I really hope you enjoyed this one, guys. I absolutely love glass nails. They're just so effective. So I'll leave links for everything that I've used in the description box, and thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.